Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this tutorial we're gonna talk about the installation of Parrot OS Security Edition that could be used as the alternative of Kali Linux. It's not exactly Kali Linux, but there are very much similarities between both of these. Like both are based on Debian, both are used for penetration testing purpose, and include a lot of pre-installed hacking tools. So let's start the tutorial. Before we pursue for installation process, let's see the requirement what we are required. 4 gig RAM, at least 25 gig free disk space, 2 core of CPUs, Parrot OS ISO file, and virtualization software. We're gonna use VirtualBox for this. So let's start the tutorial. Here I open my browser, search for Parrot OS download. In the first page, as you can see, there are many editions available: security edition, home edition, pawn box edition, class edition, and so on. We are pursuing for security edition because we're gonna learn penetration testing on it and use as an alternative of Kali Linux. Here we click on download, click on ISO AMD file. So here it's showing me installation, but I have already installed it. Let me show you. Okay, where's it? This PC downloads. So here's my file. I installed it today. The download of this ISO file will take some time, but as I already installed it, so I'm gonna pursue for our virtual machine setup. Let's open our VirtualBox. Click new. Name the virtual machine at Parrot OS Linux, and as Parrot is based on Debian, so we will select Debian 64-bit. And I'm gonna change my hierarchy of this virtual machine because my C drive does not have much space. I'm gonna select C, install software, virtual machines, and gonna make a new folder for Parrot OS and select it. So here the hierarchy is changed. I'm gonna click next. As I said, at least 4 gig RAM for it, 2 core CPU enough. I'm gonna select 3, but note it's good practice to be under green limits. At least 20 gig of Parrot Linux. Okay, set. So the our virtual machine is ready. Let's define some settings. Pick advanced, select bidirectional. This way I'm gonna video memory to for 128 MB storage. I'm gonna insert that ISO file that we installed today. Choose a disk file. You should know about the hierarchy where you saved it. So I inserted it. It's okay. User interface, and I'm gonna change some. I don't like this bottom line, so I'm gonna uncheck it. If you are okay with it, you can allow it. Now it's done. So let's start our virtual machine. So it started here, and we can choose from here. I'm gonna select full screen mode. Select first option. So here we're gonna select install Parrot option. So it's now in full screen. I click next, and my region New York is okay, fine, I'm fine with it. And keyboard settings are also well. You can select and change it if you want. So it's showing our virtual hard disk that we select about 25.5 gig. So it is this. We're gonna select first option. I don't want to encrypt it, so I will not check it out. And after That's good. No swap, minimal partition. Okay, we're gonna click next. Asking for my full name. Okay, I'm gonna select next now. Install now. Yeah. As it will take time, so I'm gonna skip this step because nothing to tell you and teach you there. So the installation has been finished now, and we are gonna restart it. Just click done. Oh, I think I have to unmount this image, so we're gonna click remove this from virtual drive. Now we're gonna finish this power of the machine and start now. Sometime actually it's unmount itself, so I think that was the case, but here I have to unmount it. So here our virtual machine is ready, and you can check it out. Here's the menu option, all accessories, gaming, programming, privacy, penetration testing. For what to install it, you can see all hacking tools are available almost. You can search for a favorite one, like I'm gonna search say Metasploit. So here comes Metasploit, and almost all favorite tools you can find it here. It contains almost 600 tools, more than that of that Kali Linux contain. So let's end the tutorial, and at last I want to say, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button.